So we are ready to move here from Goechala. It's 9:50. The weather is very bad from yesterday, and I think at uphill the snow is falling there, so it will be very cold. Our team is moving. Today is very light. It's only 15 kilometers to Soka, but it's quite uphill, and there we shall take a rest. The dense forest of Kanchenjunga National Park. So we are reaching at bridge number 1, and it's on 1.9 kilometer. It took for me around 25 minutes. So we have reached bridge number 2. Hello. It's 4.3 kilometers from Jongri. The beautiful view. And it took 4 hours, 1 hour. So we have reached bridge number 3, and that is 6.7 kilometers from Goechala, and we have reached it in 1.5 hours, 1.5 hours. We should take some water here, but how?
Et vous profitez que je suis attaché.
He's feeling fever. So this is Sachin, and we have reached here in less than 2 hours. So Vic is coming. And Urpitaji is going up there. Weather is getting worse. Urpitaji is going there, and we are near to the 4 number of bridge, number 4 bridge, and then we have to go up there. Number 4 bridge, and it's just 2 hours and 30 minutes from Goechala, and the distance is 9.5 kilometers. Hi, Urpitaji. Beautiful Daru. Now we have to reach up there. একটু দৌড়ে দৌড়ে আয়, একটু দৌড়ে দৌড়ে আয়। I have reached Bakim, a beautiful small village on the way of Jungri. It's 12 kilometers from Yeoksam, and for us it took 3 hours and 25 minutes from Yeoksam with a 10 kg sack. And the altitude of Bakim is 2618 meter. It's a very beautiful place, and we shall take half an hour rest here. Namaste. Beautiful. Yeah, someone that way. We have reached Soka in just 4 hours and 50 minutes, including a break of 50 minutes at Bakim. So actually from Yeoksam it took for us 4 hours, and the distance is around 14 kilometers from Yeoksam. Altitude is around 3000 meters. Today we shall take rest here. So we are moving today, the second day. We started at about 5 or 10 in absolute darkness and absolutely white out, but it's now sun is rising and white out is gone. So we are moving fast towards the Phedang. It's already 2 kilometers from Soka. Let's see, today will be the long day. Beautiful Pandim is visible now. So I have reached Soka, Phedang. It took 1 hour and 45 minutes for me. It's a beautiful camping ground, lots of camps are there. It's 4 kilometers from Soka with an elevation gain of around 700 meters. Still a long way to go. So we have reached Ukchurang in just 2 hours from Phedang. Still a long way to go. Today till now we have covered 11.2 kilometers from Soka. Now we shall dump our rucksack here, and we just take from here knapsack, and again we come back here. নোংরা না পুরোটাই। Beautiful glimpse of Kanchenjunga is visible now, and the Thangsing Valley, Prekchu Valley, just after the ridge. It's a ridge, Thangsing, and then I shall take the breakfast. It's only 10:46. So after a break of 10 to 15 minutes, I shall move for Goechala Lake. that is Thangsing. Kanchenjunga is visible now. I'm going towards the Sumiti Lake, and here is Pandim, Tinchengthang. It's a beautiful spring. Okay, just in front of Kanchenjunga. No, I have reached in Lamuni. It's 4100 meters. It's 12 o'clock almost. Kanchenjunga from here, very beautiful. Actually, but I have to move. So I have reached Sumiti Lake. It's 12:30. I have to decide whether I should proceed to viewpoint 1 or should come back. Okay, I think I should move until 1 o'clock and then run back. The viewpoint 1 road is very steep up to there, and all the ranges are open now. Kanchenjunga is currently behind the cloud, and here is Pandi. Beautiful Sumiti Lake. Down there, Sumiti Lake. And I am only here. So I have reached the viewpoint 1, and beyond this point you can see it is strictly prohibited. And I am here, so I can easily take entry and run up to Goechala Pass and run back. But I should honor this law because it is for the wildlife, for the rare species snow leopard. As you can see, the point is Jemathang. There a snow leopard has delivered a child, so we should just give them some separate their world, separate piece. It is the viewpoint 1. The height is exactly 4550 meters. You can see the Kanchenjunga is currently behind this cloud, and Goechala is also, and the other peaks or magnificent view. But however, I am running out of time. It's almost 1:30, so I have to run back to reach Jongri in time. So Good run, sir. Ready, sir?
Ready.